show you something interesting here. We opened the rock out of the safe, which hadn't been opened for a long time because nobody knew the combination. Had to break out the bottom and go through it. But in there was a check that had never been cashed. And here it is. Would you like to read it, somebody? How much is it for?
Tilt the camera up if you want to see it. There you go.
Uncashed. Can you see how much?
I can't see. It's right
Right there
there.
on the end.
$400.
No, those are zeros. 1 penny. A 1 penny check. A penny meant a lot then. These are a set of telegraph keys that they would have used. The sender would have been here, and the receiver would have been here.